Hi, Mars Media viewers. This is Kaliyur Sadagopan Ramakrishnan. Hello to you all. Today we are going to see why should we chant Bhagavan Nama. Before that, first of all, we are all in the very fast moving world. People have no time and running here and there and show off that they are very busy. By way of chanting Bhagavan Nama or Bhagavan name, we attain punya and we get inner sanctity also. Most of us all we say time to time, I don't have time, I am so busy for earning our basic livelihood. And we also come out with so many things that having commitments, overloading of work, 24 hours is not sufficient. Actually, no one is busy, and we can say we have a tight schedule in our routines. If we are all busy, do we skip our daily routines? That is, weekend parties, get togethers, birthday parties, but actually not. We have to be a systematic and proper planning and time management is requested. I categorize our life into two parts. One is professional friend, other one is a personal friend. In order to run a family smoothly, earning is necessary to meet our static and dynamic expenses. As a matter of fact, money plays a vital role for our day-to-day affairs. In order to fulfill our psychological needs, namely food, shelter, cloth. Without this, to run a family is difficult. In our daily routines, out of 24 hours in a day, we spend at least 6 to 8 hours to sleep so that our body will get freshness and recoup for the next day's work. On the rest of the 16 hours, we manage our professional and personal social commitments like job, children, spouse, parents, friends, relatives, etc. Here we have to raise a question to ourselves that are we too busy and all our time spent on the above activities? Absolutely no. If we analyze in depth, all of us know how much time we spent in meaningless talk, gossiping, looking around, negative thinking, politics, political leaders, and we pay more attention of this and miserably failed our core activities. How many of us we have to put a question on ourselves? How many of us effectively spend at least an hour for the self development? In our society, 95% of the people includes youth and middle age talk about past, worried about future, which is not in our hands, and ignoring the facts of the present. All of us know time is very precious and it cannot be equivalent with the money and it won't come back to anybody in this universe. Such times can be spent in chanting Bhagwan Nama. Even if one is not able to allocate some time exclusive for chanting, we can chant the name of Bhagavan while traveling by train, bus, office, or any leisure hours, etc. and so on. In the present socio-economic scenario, the entire world is longing for money and the usage is very limited extent only because money can't buy time, money can't buy age, money can't buy our childhood, money can't buy love, money can't buy the affection, etc. Even an uninvited friend, death, stand in our doorstep. We can't take a single paise from us from here when we leave the world. In the other world or destiny, the only word Bhagavan name or Bhagavan Nama is the only currency that will be valid for spending. Our mind is Bhagavan place. Our body is made of Panchabhutas. Due to inner outside pollution, we have make it into a dustbin. Here I am talking about our mind. We should clean and sweep it every second, every minute, every day. Seat Bhagavan and we also should peacefully sit there. Every day we should meditate Bhagavan Nama for at least 5 minutes. Any Nama, Rama, Krishna, Muruga, Govinda, Narayana, etc. as per your convenience and choice. Even if the world shrinks, we should do it. We have to do it without any fail. Bhagavan Nama, Bhagavan name only will come into our aid or rescue from any crisis which we come across. Chant Bhagavan Nama as much as possible and help others for reducing our karma and get mukti. If you literally fall down on the feet of the God, God will stand up. Once He stand up, no one will stand against you. When you pray God, you are moving towards God. When you help others, God will come towards you. We have to be thankful to the Almighty for the wonderful life given to us, and also we have to thank the nature also. Finally, trust God and He is the only Savior. Good luck.
இந்த சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.